Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to share some super easy tips on how you can save $10,000 without even much effort. Saving money can be hard, but with these simple steps you will see how simple it can be. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about automating your saving. This means you are setting up your bank account to move money into your saving account automatically every month. Decide how much you want to save and your bank will do all the hard work for you. This is how you can save money without even thinking about it. Next, let's discuss meal preparing. Instead of ordering takeout all the time, spend a few hours on Sunday preparing meal for the week. This saves you a lot of money and help you eat healthier. Plus, you will be avoiding those extra delivery fees and won't be tempted to spend money on last minute food. Our third tip is to use app to help you save. There are a lot of apps out there that can make you save money easier. For example, Plum is an app that look how you spend and save your money automatically. You can also round up your purchase to nearest dollar and save the difference. Let's technically help you save money. Now, let's talk about doing a yearly finance review. Once a year, take a close look at your money. Check all your account and see whether money is going. Ask yourself these simple three questions. Can I stop spending on this? Or can I spend less on this? Or can I find a cheaper option? Spending fewer hours on this once a year can help you save a lot of money. And that's it. 4 easy tips to help you save almost more than $10,000. Remember, saving money is all about making small change and being consistent. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, share with other friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe for more money saving tips. Let me know in the comment section below which tips you excited to try. Until next time, happy saving and bye for now.